What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Weed Be Gone. Now, I am just browsing in Home Depot, Lowe's. I am going on Amazon also. We are testing out different weed products. Y'all just seen me test out the Sunday, which I have there. I brought back out the Roundup grass and weed killer, but this one here is just weed killer. It says weed be gone. It says lawn weed killer, not lawn and weed killer, lawn weed killer. So this thing says it don't harm your lawn. We will see. Now we are going to use our test plot where we test out the Greenview. I think it was sun and shade tall type fescue. All right, I will put a link in the description for basically everything I use, and also you can visit my Amazon storefront where I have all my lawn products that I use and stuff to that nature. So anyways, this thing on the back says right here we have ready to use, kill 250 plus weeds. If you're a weed person and you know all your weeds, then salute to you, but mainly I know the regular weeds, including the crabgrass. All right. Rainproof in 1 hour. It says kills weeds to the root and results in one application. All right, and blase blase. I think this is one important thing that you need to know. All right. Apply when daytime temperatures are below 90 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. So don't apply this to very hot weather. That's what they're saying. And that's about it. So let me go ahead, go to the test plot. I will spray it. I might even aerate it a little bit. That way this stuff can really get down to the root. And that will be it. Put it on a time lapse and see the final results. Let's go. So one of the best manual aerators is this aerator right here. Got it from Amazon. Did a review on it. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, you do get good cores when it comes to that aerator right there. Alright, very good cores. All this will break down. Some people say the minerals and vitamins and blah 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 goes back into the soil and whatever. So you pick up your coils or you pick up your cores or you leave your cores, your choice. Alright, you guys, so we are about to spray this stuff. Now if you're new to this, you're about to learn now. You gotta slide it up and there you go. Here goes your tube. I just popped the tube out. There goes the wire for the tube. If you have your own little nozzle like the one I got in the house, in which maybe I should have brought it out, it would have been cool to use it, but if you want to, you can put your other nozzle top on here, or you can just use this and manually spray. So we learned our lesson. We will use our gun next time. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and put this on. Yeah, I might put my top on here. I don't feel like dealing with this crap. Nothing. Alright, there we go. So that's on. This is off. Alright, so still spraying. Alright, that's off. Okay, you guys, so once you put this thing on, right, in which I still don't think I have it on all the way because I still have a gap right there. But once you put it on, right here is off and on right here. Right now I have it on off and nothing is coming out. All right, I'm gonna put it on, twist that, now it's on, and now it's spraying out. All right, so one thing you need to know, wear all your proper PPE. Me, I left my long sleeves in the house, so you will want to wear long sleeves. Make sure this don't get on your arms. But I am just going to trooper it out today, and yeah, once I'm done this, I'm going to take a shower right away anyway. Just going in a back and forth motion. Whew. All right, you guys, so that was a workout. In case you want to know, yes, this dude single shot spray too, if you want to do the single shot, or you can just use the spreader spray. That's what I call it, but it sprays like that. All right, and if you want to know, this is 0.5 gallons, half a gallon, you guys. This is not a full gallon, but this is a decent price, $8. At least at Home Depot is $8. I will also post wherever else, maybe Amazon might have it. I know some people don't like going out shopping. It says results in hours and guaranteed, won't harm the lawn, guaranteed, right there. So make sure you keep your receipt, because if this mess up your lawn, then get your $8 back, but you sacrifice having to buy more grass seed. All right, you guys, put this on the time lapse and let's see the final results. All right, everyone, so the Be Gone worked. All right, I know it may not look like it on the time skip, but it did. It's looking good. It's coming along. Actually, the grass is coming back stronger. If I have any more of this seed, I'll do a little quick overseeding after I'm done spraying for these weeds. I like the product, you know, for the price, it's pretty good, decent. Don't work as quick as the other stuff that is heavily concentrated, but remember, this is just to kill the weeds, not your lawn. So yeah. All right, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe.